Time recorded, December 2, 2014. Martes, ito po, dinner na po namin ni Kuya. Ulam po namin ay 555 sardinas at may banana. Makes me shiver, but in a good way. All the times I have sat and stared as she thoughtfully thumbs through her hair, and she purses her lips, bats her eyes, and she plays with me, sitting there like Jordan, nothing to say, 'cause I love her with all that I am, and my voice shakes along with my hands, 'cause she's all that I see, and she's all that I need, and I'm out of my league once again. Okay na, nagpakita na ako eh.